Choosing a banking app feels simple until you realize how much control it actually has over your daily life. The surprising truth about All American Bank app in 2026 is how focused it is on simplicity and reliability. All American Bank app is built for users who want traditional banking features delivered through a clean digital experience. It offers checking, savings, bill pay, and mobile deposits all in one place. For people new to digital banking, this familiarity makes the transition easy. The app setup is straightforward. After verification, users gain access to spending dashboards that break down expenses in clear categories. Most people get this wrong by ignoring spending patterns, but All American makes those habits visible instantly. One standout feature is real-time balance forecasting. The app shows how upcoming bills will affect your balance days or weeks ahead. This helps avoid overdrafts and late payments, which can quietly drain money over time. Customer support is another strong point. Unlike many app-only banks, All American emphasizes live assistance options alongside chat support, giving users confidence when issues arise. Where the app falls short is innovation. Interest rates and rewards are solid, but not market-leading. There are no advanced investment or automation tools, making it better suited for daily banking rather than long-term growth. In conclusion, All American Bank app in 2026 is still worth it for users who value stability, clarity, and traditional banking with a digital upgrade. If that sounds like you, subscribe for more clear-cut reviews that help you choose wisely.